Good evening, fellow Toastmasters. My name is Satya Narayan Binding Navale. Some of you might be wondering what it means. Satya means truth. Binding Navale means peacock sanctuary. So you can take my name, to remember my name, you can think as Truth Lord in Peacock Sanctuary. So that is my explanation of my name. But friendly note, you can call me Satya. I was born way back in 1957 in a place called Hassan. And then I grew up in Mysore. And I did my schooling in Mysore and my engineering I did in Bangalore. And I did my post-graduation in Bangalore. So I've been in the industry for more than 32 years now. I worked in various capacities. I even had my own company running once upon a time. All of you know what I am currently doing at Aurora, but I'll go back to my schooling days and tell you something which you don't know. I studied in a convent, Christ-King convent. It was very good there. It was very good education, English medium. However, they were not very strict, and we had a nice education at Christ-King convent. During my schooling days, I had long hair up till here, and I got it cut when I came to 6th standard. Until then, I never allowed anybody to cut my hair. And that is one of the secrets many people don't know about myself. Then schooling was good in Mysore, but when I had come to Bangalore for my +2 as well as my engineering, it was tough again here because we were from a very middle class family background. So I did my engineering and then got into a few universities in the US, but due to lack of finance, I had to forego and join a job. So I worked in various companies in Bangalore for around 13 years in the manufacturing industry. Then I moved over to software, went back to Chennai. There I lived with my family, my wife and 2 sons. Basically I moved to Chennai because of the education for my children, and we got educated at Chennai. Both of them left to US. Then I decided to migrate back to Bangalore. I joined Arowana last year. I'm a very disciplined person, and I stick to regular routines, whether it's personal life or in office, but I'm easily approachable. So you can always feel free to contact me either offline or coming to my cabin. And I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, most of the online sites, and people do approach me. I have more than 700 friends in LinkedIn and similar number of friends on Facebook too, both younger people as well as elder people. Coming to some other hobbies that I have, I study a lot, even right from my schooling days. I've done a lot of certifications. Some of them may be surprising for you, which is not in the IT industry. I've done a diploma in beekeeping at the University of Agricultural Science. When I was in the convent, I did a diploma or a certificate course in Bible. So I studied Bible for 5 years, and then the Bible Society I passed an exam. I was in NCC. I was an under officer in NCC when I was in Mysore. So I done my A certificate and as well as B certificate. Then I done a course on Gandhiji. Got a certificate Gandhi studies. I've also done a lot of other things like I am a certified high voltage engineer. I can literally touch 51 kVA, of course with my gloves. And, I got other certificates also. So if you are interested, I can bring my big book of certificates, and you can always go through them. Some of them are irrelevant. I run senior typing, senior shorthand, lots. Some of them I have forgotten. I've done French and Spanish also. And recently I did my postgraduate diploma in software engineering, software marketing from Pondicherry University, as well as my global leadership program from University U21 from Singapore. That was very recently I acquired these two certificates. And currently I am doing few online courses on the internet, on sites like Coursera as in Allison. So I sleep late, wake up early. And personally, I do yoga, meditation. I learned Reiki as well as naturopathy, and a little bit of Kundalini. So these are nothing related to, of course, the various Babas are teaching, but this is from a general awareness and knowledge. So I keep my immunity level pretty high, and you can always reach me. Thank you.